This 5-minute solution will show you how to get YouTube Premium for free for 1 month. Follow these easy steps to easily get YouTube Premium free trial for 1 month. Open your YouTube app and make sure to sign into your YouTube account. Then tap on your profile photo and here scroll down. Tap on Get YouTube Premium and here we can see 1 month free trial and we will be cancel the free trial anytime. Tap on Try It Free and select a package. I'm selecting individual. Tapping on Confirm and now you have to add here your payment method or your credit or debit card. Once done, here we can see you won't be charged if you cancel before 1 month, and click on subscribe and now enter here your Gmail account password to confirm. Once it's done, as you can see, I've purchased 1 month free trial for YouTube. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.